Hello, folks. Dr. Palermo coming to you from the home office. It is 7:04, week 3, and a little bit of an introduction and overview from the good doctor to hopefully keep us on track. Um, I'm looking forward to our first weekend together, June 13th and 14th. That's just in a couple of weeks. You do have a lot of work to do in the meantime. Some of the reading I'll review here. A lot of stuff to do, readings, PowerPoints, videos, dialogue posts, while school is still closing out. I know, I've not totally forgotten the uh, craziness of your daily lives as you work and close out a school year. Hang in there. Hang in there. This summer, I'm going to be collaborating some with Dr. Jenny Sabin, and one of the reasons I'm looking forward to that is that we're co-planning and going to co-teach some when we're together in Goldsboro at Wayne Community. Uh, Jenny is a great lady, and you're going to enjoy spending a little bit of time with her. Um, you're working on the evidences, CNAB and PEA. A lot of the readings have connections here. And please get started, have an outline of each of those at least, and bring what you've got, your working drafts, to our first session on June 13th. We will do some peer review there, kind of in lieu of posting that stuff online, I think. I have also deleted or hidden a few other links and assignments you should know that we will be doing when we meet face to face. Some of the data enhanced leadership stuff, the big chill and the qualitative assignment. If you saw that before it was hidden, um, we're going to be doing some of that stuff in our second session face to face. Anyway, Erdan, Fitzpatrick, Creswell. I hope you're able to keep up with the readings. Maybe you can do some reading while you're proctoring. I don't know. Good luck for that. Fitzpatrick, Creswell, Erdan, there are the chapter assignments. You've got your Erdan PowerPoints. Oh boy, bell curve, measures of central tendency, z-scores, turns me on. Read that stuff, be familiar with it. Part of this is the being good consumers of statistics and knowing enough about it that you can read statistical reports. Uh, you need to be able to know this stuff well enough to lead in your schools and your districts. Program evaluation, notes and readings and assignments. Again, lots of helpful and usable stuff in Fitzpatrick to help you with your program evaluation. And know that sometimes some good quality dissertations grow out of program evaluations or become full-blown program evaluations. Another of the readings this week that is important and will be of utility to you in a dialogue that I do ask you to participate in. It's about a research design, survey, or experimental study. No, yours does not have to be one of these, but what if you were going to do a survey or develop an experimental design to try to answer one or more of your research questions? Uh, Chapter 8 has two tables, 8.1 and 8.4, for survey or experimental design. Run through it. Do you have to answer every question? No, but get a bulleted list from that, post it, and respond to someone else. Start thinking about research questions and research designs. I hope it generates a bunch of questions that we can then address when we meet face to face. It's going to tell you what you know and don't know, and I'm glad there's some math teachers out there in the cohort. Yay. Stats chapters 4 and 5 in Erdan. Did I already say that? I don't know. Loving all this reading. And if that makes you want to cry, then try praying instead and check out this week's weekly devotional at the bottom. That is not a joke. We're all at the end of our ropes sometimes. One of my favorite things is from Stephen Covey, and the Seven Habits guy says, take a breath sometimes. Remember to sharpen the saw. Remember when you're at the end of your rope to find some quiet time, some God time, some me time, and um, reconnect with your roots, remember what you're about, and then turn back to Erdan and read some more about statistics. Have a great week. See you soon.